You're flying. What's up, guys? Welcome to the video. So, quick little intro here. A few months back, I got a bunch of detailing stuff from Platinum Polishes on Instagram. I'll link that down below for you guys to check out. They are a dealer for Adams polishes. I just felt like kind of coordinating and stepping up my detail game a little bit, and this was kind of my intro into all that stuff. You'll see a couple products that I use from Adams, as well as the main thing being the ceramic wheel coating. I went through and ceramic coated my wheels, mufflers, and brake calipers, which you'll see in the video, so stay tuned to kind of see me go through the process on that. And just to clarify, I'm obviously not a professional detailer. I picked all this stuff up and do it just as a hobby, and I am YouTube certified, but that's as far as we'll go with that. Enjoy. In the wheel coating kit, they give you 2 towels. These are for utilizing the ceramic boost and prep sprays. Looks like probably some kind of directions. Cool. It's very important that you follow directions when it comes to ceramic coatings too, because there's a strict process that you're supposed to follow. So we'll definitely be studying those. So these look like the towels that you use to remove the ceramic coating. Kind of feels like it's a bit of a micro suede. I believe Adams uses these because they don't pull as much of the coating off of the surface. It just kind of helps level it a little bit without taking all of the coating off. And then we got the 2 sprayers to go with the 2 sprays, being surface prep as well as the ceramic boost for after the coating itself. And we got 2 applicator pads as well as some gloves. So they literally provide everything you could possibly need to do this. Let's get the car in the air so we can get the wheels off so that I am ready to start cleaning them and getting them prepped for the coating tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Fossils. They doing all like the beauty channels, or like this brush.
So for the lighting?
Yeah.
That's funny. We're gonna go through our bucket of supplies and let Melissa guess what each one's for. Dirty thoughts only. We have our bucket of brushes, and we're gonna be using these to clean the wheels up. I don't know that we're gonna use too many, probably just the face brush and the boar's head one, just to get in some of these tight crevices. So nothing too crazy. And we're gonna be using strip wash for our bucket, and then we'll be spraying the wheels with wheel cleaner and letting that soak and sit for probably, I think it's like 30 seconds to 2 minutes or something to that nature. It turns purple.
Oh, cool.
Yeah, so that's how you know it's breaking down the metal and the brake dust and things like that. So let's get to it.
It smells like blue flavoring.
With a hint of kill yourself if you smell hard enough.
Not bad. It's not bad.
Yeah, it's better because this is the new wheel cleaner. Thumbs up, Adams. 2-3 ounces. Yep. That's the slogan for BS Express Enterprises.
Well, there's actually 2. It's not gonna take that long.
And I work for cheap enough.
Yeah.
That's why it's not going to take that long.
Yeah.
Face. And then spray it around the barrel. Being relatively liberal.
You do the back?
Yeah, so we're going to be doing, because we're ceramic coating, we're doing the whole wheel. See? Look at that purple line already from where the brake dust comes flying off of the rotor.
Oh, wow. This is like some stuff you see on like CSI.
CSI.
Like where they like
Finding the
spray.
fingerprints?
Yeah, they spray stuff and find like the gun residue and stuff.
So I'm just going to do the 2 fronts at a time, I think.
Can't really tell, but it is like
Turning purple. It's hard because it's a black wheel, but it's definitely doing its job. You can see it breaking down the brake dust. Like even the bubbles are purple. All right, so it's been sitting for a minute. We've got a fair amount of purple suds built up, so it's been breaking down the brake dust. So now we're just gonna use the brush and kind of agitate the surface of any potential.
Ooh, look at all that purple.
Yeah. This is like a gerbil hairs brush or some shit, I don't remember what it's called. Look at all that nasty, dude. All right, so we're just gonna continue the process on all the wheels now.
That is really clean.
All right, so wheels are all dried off, moved inside and whatnot, so I'm just gonna work on prepping some other stuff. So this caliper here, I've got this bin down here, gonna spray it with wheel cleaner just the same, let it kind of soak up a little bit, and then I got my boar's head brush, bucket of stuff still, so I'm gonna kind of wash that off, and I got this to catch the stuff so that I can then pour it out and it doesn't get all over the garage floor, and then do that with both sides. And then I'm gonna pull the mufflers off because we're gonna be ceramic coating the tips of those as well. This is just a bottle of water. I'm gonna use it to spray off this caliper and get all this shit off. Alright, so I got the mufflers off and the brake calipers are all clean and everything. Now I'm gonna move into the next step, which is actually going to be clay barring these surfaces. Alright, and what the clay bar does is just removes any and all surface contamination. It's gonna help keep it glass smooth. And now I just need to buff the surface, and as you can see from the clay bar, I mean, it's got all kinds of dirt crap that it picked off of that surface. And I didn't really need it or anything, I just wanted to leave it the way it is so you could see what all I was pulling off, but all kinds of stuff.
2 hours later.
All the wheels have now been clay barred as well as the front brake calipers, but it is late, work night, so I'm gonna have to hit this sack and then pick this back up tomorrow. Alright guys, and we are back. Not too much to say, I want to jump right into polishing these mufflers. But I do want to give a quick shout out. So I ordered a number of different like premium microfibers from the Rag Company. They specialize in all kinds of different microfibers for different applications. I'm also going to be using Adam's metal polish number 1 to start. Finish the polishing procedure on these mufflers. I'm going to actually switch to Adam's metal polish number 2. I'm going to go ahead and get into it. I'll show you guys real quick the before and then the after. So here's the tips before I get into polishing on them. I did them when I first got these mufflers and I haven't done them since. So they have been polished once, so it shouldn't be awful getting all the stuff off. But as you can see, a fair bit of sending it. I just finished the metal polish 1 and pretty dang good results so far. So coming along nicely, already looking fresh. So I'm really excited to see how much more pop the metal polish number 2 will provide. Alright, so just finished doing one of the mufflers with the metal polish 2, and I figured I'd do like a side-by-side of like after just 1 versus after 1 and 2. These ones are after metal polish 1, these are after metal polish 2. So my initial thoughts are there's really not too much difference between the two. Metal polish number 1 did pretty much a fantastic job on its own. Now, I didn't do, just a strictly metal polish 2 to see how good that would do from scratch. Take that for what it's worth, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish the other muffler with number 2 so that I can move into the prep phase for ceramic coating. Alright, the moment you've all been waiting for, the doctor gloves have come out, courtesy of Adams, and I am opening up the Fancy Pants single soft plush towel. You're just gonna spray on the surface prep, which is like an alcohol-based cleaner to kind of make sure that there's no residual stuff on whatever surface you're working with, and that's it. So I'm gonna do all the wheels. the brake calipers, and then the mufflers so that everything's ready and we can do it all at once to save on product and make sure that I don't waste applicator pads and wipe off towels. You don't have to re-wipe it because it's alcohol based. It naturally dries quickly, so you don't have to worry about buffing the surface once you've done an alcohol wipe. Alright, so I went ahead and wiped down all the faces of the wheels and got in between the spokes, did the brakes, and then the muffler tips. There's your proof. So this towel is just going to be set aside for now. Without further ado, let's get into the actual ceramic coating portion. So I've done the whole face of the wheel, and we're just going to let it sit as it starts to flash. You do not want to let it dry on the surface. That was the big thing. I think that's been long enough, so I'm going to go ahead and start to buff this off with the micro suede tower that they provide. Alright, and that's that. So from there, I'm going to move on to the inside of the barrel of the wheel, as well as in between all the spokes. Just off of the immediate, wipe down and wipe off, there's already a pretty significant difference in the finish of the wheel. It looks really good, so definitely excited to keep going on this.
So take a good look. Oh, you see my smile. Yeah, baby, take a good look. Oh, you see my smile. Look a little bit closer. Ooh, yeah, you see my smile. I need you. I need you.
Alright, and just like that, the ceramic coating application process is done. So now that I've done installed the wheels, brake calipers, and muffler tips, I just have to wait for like 24 to 48 hours as everything kind of cures. So just make sure that, it's inside in an area that it's not going to get moisture on them and things of that nature. Now I'll just wait and catch back up with you guys in a couple days once these have had time to properly cure. So with everything going on, I actually forgot to kind of get back to the car to kind of give you guys like my wrap up on everything. So here's a quick clip of where the car was unfortunately stuck in the rain, but you can kind of see the wheels are beating up, or the water's beating up really well off of the wheels. And here's another quick clip of me wiping the mufflers when I first went to drive the car after ceramic coating them. You can see how easily the dirt and stuff comes off of them. So all in all, guys, I definitely give the products 2 thumbs up. I've thoroughly enjoyed the ceramic coating on the wheels and everything like that. It hasn't helped keep things quite as clean as I thought it might. However, it does make cleaning those things significantly easier, which is nice in the long run because you just save time overall. Huge shout out again to Platinum Polishes and the Rag Company for the awesome products. And just to clarify again, you guys can reach out to Platinum Polishes on Instagram. Use my code POKEMASTER. It will save you 15% off of your order through Platinum Polishes. Definitely recommend that. Thanks again for watching, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video and took something out of it. But otherwise, peace out. We'll catch you in the next one.